affiliate marketing. This is where you market and sell other people's products for them and you get paid a commission. You're basically an online salesman. But thousands of companies have affiliate programs. Even Amazon has one. And we're not always talking a couple cents on the dollar in commission. Depending on the product, you can get very high commission. Sometimes rates are so high that you end up making more than the seller actually makes. Now, the percent you're paid in commission really boils down to two factors: the item's profit margin for the seller and the product or service's ability to sell itself on its own. So for example, a physical product on Amazon is perfectly capable of selling by itself and it won't have huge profit margins. So your commission is going to be relatively low. Where something like a software tool from a small business, they might have a higher commission rate to be paid out because they don't have a platform like Amazon to sell, and their cost to service another customer is near zero being software. This is where you see your commissions jumping very, very high. Now, affiliate marketing can be used in unlimited ways, but here are a few places that you could promote affiliate links for products or services. First one being a YouTube channel. Check out the links down in the description. Second one being a blog that plugs products or services relevant to the blog topic. Third could be TikTok or Instagram pages highlighting products or services. That's like when you see on Instagram the swipe up, that's usually an affiliate link of some kind. And then fourth is even to friends and family. Now, I'm not recommending that you start throwing sales pitches to Aunt Betty at Thanksgiving dinner.
You want to make a scene during Thanksgiving? Yeah, really?
I do. But think of this situation. You have a friend over and they ask you, hey, where'd you get that vacuum from? That's pretty nice. And you say you got it on Amazon. Your friend could then use your affiliate link on Amazon, pay nothing more than they would have, and you make a few bucks in commission and everyone wins, even Bezos. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this content, make sure you subscribe to the main channel as well right here.